Rave error, there was a problem loading your video. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be seeing this error of there was a problem loading your video on Rave. So let's check some quick solutions to get you back to enjoying your videos in no time. First, let's check your internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection could be causing the issue, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reset your router if you're on Wi-Fi. This can often fix the problem. Next, make sure the app is up to date, so open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Rave and see if there is an update available. An updated app could be the source of the issue. If the error persists, try clearing the app cache, so for Android go to Settings, Apps, Rave and then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Another solution is to restart your devices. Sometimes simply restarting can resolve temporary glitches causing video loading errors. Lastly, if none of these steps work, check if Rave services are down. You can visit their social media pages or support site to confirm if there is a known issue on their end. And that's it for today's quick fix. Hopefully one of these solutions worked for you. Thanks for watching.